if I told you a YouTuber, yes, a YouTuber, is doing more to improve global health than some billion-dollar health systems? Stick around, because today we're diving into the radical generosity of MrBeast and why his brand of philanthropy might just be the blueprint for fixing healthcare. And trust me, as a doctor, I've got thoughts. In this video, I'm breaking down MrBeast's health philanthropy, from curing 1,000 people's blindness to giving away hearing aids, and why it matters for medicine, metabolic health, and you. And near the end of this video, I'll share the biggest lesson MrBeast teaches us about fixing our broken healthcare system and how you can apply it in your own life, even if you're not a millionaire with a camera crew. Let's set the stage. MrBeast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, is one of the most watched YouTubers on the planet. But beyond the crazy stunts and million-dollar giveaways, he's quietly starting a revolution in healthcare access. In 2023, he paid for cataract surgery for 1,000 people to help them see again. Then he helped 1,000 people hear again by providing hearing aids. He's built wells for clean water, helped amputees with prosthetics, and funded life-changing surgeries. And yes, it's gone viral. But here's what most people miss. It isn't just YouTube clickbait. This is what public health should look like. As a physician who treats so-called chronic disease every single day, I see the system's limitations. We often throw prescriptions at problems caused by poverty, lack of access, or broken systems. What MrBeast did was go upstream. He asked, what's the root cause of suffering here? And how can I solve it directly? That's the kind of thinking we need in healthcare. Not more band-aids, more root cause fixes. And he did it with speed, transparency, and compassion. Let's be real. If a YouTuber can cure blindness for $1,000 a pop, why are millions still blind? This shows us it's not always lack of technology. It's not always lack of doctors. Often, it's the middlemen, red tape, and misaligned incentives that get in the way. MrBeast exposes a painful truth. We have the tools to heal more people. We just don't always have the will. Now here's where I put on my metabolic medicine hat. MrBeast treats visible problems, blindness, hearing loss. But what about invisible problems? Type 2 diabetes, hypertension, obesity, chronic inflammation. These don't always go viral, but they steal life just the same. So here's what I wish, that we apply the MrBeast mindset to metabolic health. Let's fund programs that teach food as medicine. Let's reverse insulin resistance before it turns into dialysis. Because the truth is, most chronic disease is preventable. It's not a lack of medication. It's a lack of education, support, and access to real food. There's another piece here. MrBeast is helping shift the culture of medicine from rigid to real, from hidden to transparent. Think about it. He shows the procedures, he humanizes the patients, he educates while entertaining. What if doctors, hospitals, and health systems did the same? What if we shared patient stories, with permission, of course? What if we exposed pricing? What if we inspired people to take control of their own health? As a physician, I love what he's doing because he's making healthcare less scary and more empowering. Let me get personal for a second. I didn't go into medicine to manage diseases. I went into it to help heal people, to help them see clearly, not just with their eyes, but with their lives. And that's what MrBeast reminds me of, that sometimes healing starts not with a pill, but with a gesture, with someone showing up and saying, I see your pain and I'm here to help. That's the heart of true medicine, and I'm here for it. Let's break it down. Here are 5 lessons MrBeast teaches us about fixing healthcare. Number 1, solve the root cause, not the symptom. Number 2, make healthcare human again. Number 3, transparency builds trust. Number 4, generosity is scalable when it's strategic. Number 5, media can heal, not just entertain. And maybe the biggest one, you don't need a medical degree to change lives. If you believe we need more root cause thinking in healthcare, hit that like button and share this video. And in the comments, tell me, what would you fix first in our health system if you had $1 million to give? And after this, check out my video on the screen, because knowledge is power. and I want to empower you with all the knowledge you'll need to heal. And of course, none of this is medical advice. I'm just your friendly neighborhood doc on YouTube trying to keep you from getting prescriptions you didn't need in the first place. So here's your takeaway. You don't need to be Mr. Beast to make a difference. Start with your neighborhood. Start with you, because real health starts not in a hospital, but in our homes, hearts, and habits. I'll see you in the next video.